Good afternoon, my name is Tony from Car Bench International, Technical Support Manager for Car Bench. Today I'd like to show you our electronic measuring system, Contact Evolution. It's a unique measuring system in the fact that it's a freestanding unit. This is important that it's a freestanding unit because it can be kept away from the damage when repairing the vehicle. So, our freestanding unit is based on a tripod which has a height adjustment, and the unique feature that our arm extends to 2.7 meters in length. It has 8 movements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 movements. This is important when achieving the XY values of the underbody of a motor car. What's also important is that you notice that at any one time, when we show the measuring on the vehicle, we don't use extensions. This is important because when using an extension, extensions mean tolerance on upper body. An example, if you have 1 millimeter here, extend it 2 meters, and it can be 6 and 7 millimeters. So Contact can achieve these measurements with no extensions, most important. So, when using the Contact, we have 2 popular measures, V4 and F2, where we measure around the bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3 measurements around the bolt mathematically calculate the hole centre. This is important because other measuring systems on the marketplace is left to the operator, where we have to find the middle of the bolt. So this is a far more accurate measuring system. Is when we're measuring a hole on a chassis. Again, we measure 1, 2, 3 on the inside of the hole and 4, 5, 6 on the body of the vehicle. Again, the first 3 calculate the hole centre, unlike having to guess where the hole centre is. What's important as well with the Contact Evolution, as it's a freestanding unit, at any one time it can be moved around the vehicle using no extensions. In a repair mode, it's important to remember most of the measuring systems have to go underneath the vehicle. With Contact, we like to keep it away from the damage, otherwise it can be proved very expensive. The Contact Evolution is 2.7 metre from the centre to the probe position, giving a 5.4 metre span around the vehicle. Okay, so let's have a look on how we achieve the measurements, and we'll open the data and start a new job. Okay, we're going to measure a BMW this afternoon, so let's open the software and create a new job. We go into this corner here on Car Measurements. Click on Car Measurements. Immediately this window opens and we're going to start a new job here. Click on the box. So top box here is normally the job number. So then we're going to search for the brand of the car. X25. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle, you can see here. Click on that. Accept. Okay, last company name. This is a Mr. Manfredi. You can create a new job or accept an existing job. So we're going to accept this particular job here. Down in this box here we have The operator, which is myself, click on here. And any additional notes that you wish to put onto the job in this box here, for example, the vehicle mileage, offside or near side damage, anything that it relates to the damage of the vehicle can be typed into here. So for instance, 100,000 miles or kilometers. So in the notes there, once you've created the job, you can accept. Back to this window, accept. Immediately we go to the job, mechanics in position. It's a diagnostic check. So now we can start the job and go into this window here, alignment. Now alignment is that we have to create a minimum of 4 points on the underbody of the vehicle, because at this stage the contact doesn't understand if the car is like this or the floor is uneven, so we have to click on alignment. Once we click on alignment, you can see we have 4 blue squares. These are the recommended points for measure the structural parts of the vehicle, where we don't normally anticipate movement on any of those structural parts.
Form 6 readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 14. Point 14. Performs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 14. Point 9. Perform 6 readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 9. Point 9. Perform 6 readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 9. Point 13. Perform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 13. Point 13. Perform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 13. Point 16. Perform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 16. Point 16. Performs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point acquired 16. Point 5. Perform 1 reading. Point acquired 5. Point 5. Perform 1. Point acquired 5. Point 8. Perform. Point acquired 8. Point 8. Perform 1. Point acquired 8.